Hi friends, this video shows how to change notification sound of WhatsApp in Samsung Galaxy mobile phone. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on settings app icon. Go down, select apps, tap on apps. So here we can see list of installed apps. From this list we need to select WhatsApp. Let me go down, select WhatsApp. So select WhatsApp from this list. Then tap on notifications. Enable notifications. Then go down, tap on notification categories. So here we can see list of notifications. So for example, if you want to change notification sound of message, you can tap on message notifications, then tap on sound. Here you can see the default sound. You can change, you can select one sound from this list. That way you can change notification sound of WhatsApp message. You can also adjust volume of notification sound here. So similarly you can change notification sound of other notifications in this list. For example, sending media, then call notifications. Let me tap on call notifications, tap on sound. See, you can change sound of call notification. You can check it, you can check all these notifications and you can set different sound. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.